Hello and welcome. You're watching ERi-TV English news broadcast. I am the anchor Miriam Girmay, bringing you the latest news that are making the headlines around the world. TB treatment success rate rises to 94 in Central Region. Material support for fistula patients in Mendahara Referral Hospital in Southern Region. China calls for fair and non-discriminatory environment to Chinese enterprises in Australia. United States and South Korea to conduct large-scale military drills. The treatment success rate among TB patients in the Central Region has risen to 94%, according to Sister Natsanet Gabriel-Yohannes, coordinator of TB and leprosy at the Ministry of Health branch in the region. In an interview she conducted with ERI-TV, pointing out that the 2025 regional goal of reducing TB death rate is 5%, Sister Natsanet stated that thanks to the efforts conducted so far, death rate has reduced to 3.2% and that they're working to drop the death rate to zero. Sister Natsanet further indicated that tuberculosis is a preventable and curable infectious disease if diagnosed early and treated successfully. According to Sister Natsanet, modern laboratory equipment is put in place in several health centers in Central Region, and strong efforts are being conducted to control the occurrences of communicable diseases, particularly TB. The residents of Adi Gaul and Kudo Falasi Administrative Area Mendefara Subzone have contributed material support to fistula patients in the Southern Region Referral Hospital. The material support included sanitation materials, clothes, and foodstuffs. Speaking at the event, a fistula expert at the Referral Hospital, Dr. Hapte Haile Malakut, stated that fistula patients are exposed to physical, social, and economic challenges and called on the society in general and women in particular to avoid causes of health problems, including underage marriage and delivery outside health facilities. The medical director of Southern Region Referral Hospital, Dr. Jonas Keflamarem, on his part, applauded the moral, monetary, and material support that the society is extending to fistula patients and commended the residents of Adigaul and Kudo Falasi administrative areas for their initiative. Strong effort is being exerted in Haga subzone to enhance the teaching and learning process by tackling the challenges being encountered, report indicated. The activities include renovation of schools, toilets, and classroom objects, as well as the construction of water reservoirs and yards in 4 schools in the subzone, the report added. Speaking to ERI-TV, Mr. Idris Abdu from the Office of Ministry of Education branch in Haga subzone stated that the communities of Kerme and Hashishai are also taking similar initiatives with the objective of alleviating the challenges of teaching and learning process in their areas. In Haga subzone, there are 37 schools ranging from preschool to secondary schools. That was everything for our local news. I'll be back with the international news after this short break. Please stay with us. China hopes Australia can provide a fair and non-discriminatory environment to Chinese enterprises, said a Foreign Ministry spokesperson at a news conference today after Australia's decision to block a Chinese investment in a rare earths mining company. Australia blocked Yuxiao Fund, which is the Singapore-registered private company of Chinese mining investor Yuxiao Wu, from raising its stake of Northern Minerals from 9.92 to 19.9%. Australia said all decisions on foreign investment are made in its national interest, and it expects trade talks with China to continue after reports Beijing had protested Canberra's investment ban. Australia had previously said it would become more selective about who it lets invest in a critical mineral industry amid concern about monopolies. United States and South Korea will conduct more than 10 days of large-scale military drill in March, including amphibious landings, officials from the two countries said today. The exercise, dubbed Freedom Shield, will be held from 13th to 23rd of March to strengthen the allies' combined defensive posture, the two militaries said at a news briefing in Seoul. The joint exercise is designed to strengthen response capabilities of both alliances by focusing with an exercise scenario on the changing threats and security environment, such as North Korea's advanced nuclear and missile programs and lessons learned from recent wars and conflicts. South Korea's Joint Chief of Staff Public Affairs Director Colonel Lee Sung-jung said, past drills have drawn sharp reactions from North Korea, including missile launches and nuclear threats. Pyongyang has said such joint military operations are proof that Washington and its allies are hostile. Those were the top stories, but before we close, a little recap of tonight's headlines. TB treatment success rate rises to 94% in Central Region. Material support for fistula patients in Mendefara Referral Hospital in Southern Region. China calls for a fair and non-discriminatory environment to Chinese enterprises in Australia. United States and South Korea to conduct large-scale military drills. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.